If you're not building an email list, you are missing out on one of the most effective marketing strategies around. The most valuable marketing asset your business has is a targeted email list. But before you spend excessive amounts of time on trendy marketing tactics, you've got to be focused on growing your email subscriber list. Whether you're launching your business or looking to grow your current one, a high-quality, relevant email list will help you achieve your goals. Email marketing lets you communicate directly with your customer and gives you the opportunity to convert prospective subscribers into paying customers. And you don't need crazy tech skills, forkloads of cash, or a dedicated staff to get started with email marketing. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart. And today, I have 6 smart steps to grow your email list, even if you are only starting from scratch. Let's get started. To start to grow your email list, you need these 6 things: a clear picture of your ideal subscriber, an email marketing platform to capture contact information and to send emails, an enticing lead magnet to motivate people to share their email with you, an optimized, high-converting opt-in page where people can sign up to receive your lead magnet, constant, valuable, and relevant email content to nurture relationships with those on your list, and steady traffic to your opt-in page and forums. Let's dive into each of these a little bit. Number 1, your ideal customer. In order to be effective with email marketing, you need to identify the people that you can best help with your product or service. And you do this by creating an ideal customer avatar. By identifying your target audience, you can market in a way that allows you to attract customers that come to you rather than you having to go out and search for them. Connecting with your audience is simpler when you can relate to their problems, when you can speak to them in a way that resonates with them and provide solutions that make their lives easier. The topic of finding your ideal customer comes up time and time again, and that's because most people skip this crucial step. Don't make the mistake of assuming that everyone is part of your target audience, because there is no point in building a large email list if you aren't being specific about who you're talking to. Number 2, an email marketing platform. An email marketing platform is the system that you'll use to build and grow your email list. One of the biggest benefits to using an email marketing platform is that you can take advantage of autoresponders to streamline your email marketing process. Essentially, an autoresponder allows you to automate part of your email marketing campaigns by handling the actual emailing for you. This means you only have to create the email or email series one time, and then you set it on autopilot. This really lays the groundwork for you in building a relationship with your subscribers and making sales later without having to do all the heavy lifting each time. In addition to autoresponders, your email marketing platform also gives you the ability to capture email addresses and create customer lists. It stores all of your customer data. You can segment customers to multiple lists based on certain specifications you've made. You can use templates to create attractive, standardized emails, opt-in forms, and even landing pages. Create an email or an email series and use automation to determine when the emails are sent and whom they're sent to. You can gauge the success of your emails through reports and analytics. And you can access their customer support to handle all of your technical questions. Now, most email marketing platforms have similar capabilities, so don't worry about picking the perfect one. Don't let this hold you up. They all have the ability to export your customer list, so if you need to switch platforms, you can easily just take your list with you. Number 3, an enticing lead magnet. In order to get people to share their contact information with you and join your email list, you need to entice them with a lead magnet. A lead magnet is free content you've created that you give your audience a little bit of your expertise in exchange for their email address. While simply asking people to give up their contact information may have worked in the past, it rarely does nowadays. You'll see much better results if you offer something of value in exchange for their email address. Now, there are lots of options for what type of content to include in your lead magnet. Your lead magnet could be a list of resources, a checklist, or even a cheat sheet that solves a problem that your ideal customer is facing. Most importantly, your lead magnet should be something that your audience actually wants. If it doesn't solve a problem or help them, they just won't sign up for it, and your efforts will go to waste. Creating your lead magnet shouldn't feel overwhelming. If you already have some really great content, you may even be able to reuse or repurpose it into a lead magnet. For example, if you already have written a blog post about a topic, you could turn that into a checklist. Your lead magnet will help you achieve your goal of building your email list by drawing those people in with valuable, relevant content. Number 4, a high converting opt-in page. An opt-in page focuses on a single purpose: promoting your lead magnet. It encourages people to take action and is used to entice people to provide their email address and other contact information in exchange for your free offer. Once someone enters their information, they are added to your email list, and then your lead magnet can be sent through your automated email you've created. Now, there are several key components of a successful opt-in form. Your opt-in form should give people an incentive to join your list. It should be free of distractions and focus solely on your lead magnet. It should also have a simple layout. It needs to include an obvious call to action and be noticeable with a design that complements your branding. You'll want to use language that resonates with your ideal client to motivate them to sign up. Your form should turn your visitors into subscribers and as many as possible into customers one day. This is known as a high converting opt-in page. Number 5, relevant content to nurture relationships. Now that people have started joining your email list, you need to nurture the relationship with them and keep them on your list. One of the most important things that you can do to achieve this is to be consistent, remaining top of mind of your subscribers by emailing them on a consistent basis with a consistent message. You need to stand out to your target audience by providing high quality, valuable, free content that helps them solve a problem. Remember, the content that you create should be relevant and tie into what your ideal content wants. Here's some ideas for some content that you can use to cultivate relationships. You can send a warm welcome email. You could share the story about your brand. You could give a list of resources or websites that you recommend. You could share your favorite blog posts. You could run a competition for a prize. You could reward your email subscribers with a free service or a product. To nurture your list, focus on sharing your expertise and giving to your audience. Remember, quality over quantity, and you'll be able to convert your subscribers into paying customers when they're ready. Number 6, steady traffic to your opt-in page and forms. Getting steady traffic to your opt-in page isn't a case of if you build it, they will come. It takes time and effort and following some key strategies to grow your list of subscribers. To get visitors to your opt-in page, think about where your ideal subscribers hang out. Maybe they are one of your current contacts or customers, or someone who visits your websites, connects with you on social media, or even people you've met offline. Here are 4 strategies you can use to drive traffic to your opt-in page. Get your website visitors to sign up for your list. Get your social media followers to know about and join your list. Get people you've met offline onto your list. You can even use content marketing to drive traffic to your opt-in page or form. There are dozens of other tactics that you can use, and many of them are free. But you don't have to do all of them. Focus on one strategy at a time so that you can put forth your best effort to drive traffic consistently. Don't be afraid of a little trial and error as you try out different strategies. Each time you try something new, you get closer to understanding what works best for your audience. The most important step is to make sure that all of your efforts include the same call to action, which is to sign up for your free offer. Take action consistently to get people signing up, and your email list will start to grow. Are you ready to make your email list building a priority? Do you want to learn more about how to build a valuable email list? Are you ready to start attracting customers to you rather than you having to go out and search for them? Do you want to take the first steps that will lead you to having paying clients? You can get started at toriemathis.com/learn email marketing. I will put the link down below. And if you're not sure what email marketing service you should choose for list building, I went over the top services to help you decide, and you can watch that video next.